Hi everyone, this is Angelie and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you what are the struggles that I encounter being an airline manager. For today's video, samahan niyo akong alamin ang mga struggles na na-experience ng isang airline manager during the work from home setup. And for today, we will be using two digital platforms sa aking virtual meeting. One is the Teams meeting na kung saan is ginagamit ng mga Ayala group, especially AirSwift. And the other one is Zoom meeting. I usually use this Zoom meeting sa mga ka-meeting ko outside our organization, like resorts in other companies or companies outside our organization. It's already 1:55 in the afternoon and I'm already done with my glass skin makeup for this afternoon for my webinars and virtual meetings. So, mag-join na muna ako sa Teams meeting while I'm doing my hair. So, ang bagal ni Teams. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-in sa aking meeting. It's already 1:58 na 3 minutes na nakaraan. Hindi pa rin tayo nakaka-connect. Maybe I think I have to restart my laptop para makapag-join tayo sa Teams. So I think may problema yung aking Teams. So I need to call on our IT to help me dito sa Teams ko. Advice ko rin muna si El Nido Resorts kasi yung ka-meeting ko, advice ko lang na medyo malilate ako dahil hindi nagko-connect yung aking Teams. So, ayaw sumagot ni El Nido Resorts, siguro medyo busy na rin sila since sila yung host ng meeting na to. So, tatawagan ko na lang si IT. But if ever na hindi talaga ako makakonect, siguro yung phone ko na lang yung gagamitin ko for this meeting. Pero hindi ako makakapag-on ng video ng camera ko. So wala akong makontak. Pati IT namin hindi yung so cannot reach. Nag-try ako ng password ko, kung papasok siya, i-accept siya ni Teams. Ayun. So, pumasok naman siya, tapos yung verification code, tinext niya dun sa company phone ko. Ayan, try natin. Sana gumana kasi it's already 2:03 in the afternoon. And hindi pa tayo makakapasok sa ating meeting. Late na tayo. Hindi ako sanay ma-late. Lagi ako maaga sa mga meetings. You're all set, so done na. Talagay dito, done na daw yung ano. So, ayan, ito yung mga struggles na na-experience natin pag nasa work from home tayo using the digital platforms. Ang bagal niya. Internet ko, I think may problema din. Ang bagal. Papasok na tayo. Try natin. Success. Success yung ating pag-set up ng Teams. Ayan. So, mag-join na ako. Someone in the meeting should let you in soon. Accepted na ako. Nandito na ako sa meeting. And waiting na lang ako mag-start since hindi pa naman sila nag-start. I don't know bakit hindi ko sila naririnig. I struggle sobra. So, ito na naman. Experience ko na naman ito. Hindi ko narinig ang aking pag-usap. I think I should use my phone na lang para makakonect sa kanila kasi I can hear them talaga. Finally, nakakonect din ako. Naayos ko din yung setup ng aking Teams and naririnig ko na sila. I thought yung aking speaker na naman yung may problem. And ayun, so sa settings lang siya ni Teams kasi download ko lang nung apps ko na Teams. I don't know kung bakit hindi ko na nagamit yung dati ko Teams. So, experience talaga problems sa paggamit ng Teams. So, ayan. So, ongoing na yung meeting namin regarding sa e-commerce website na, ayun, so struggle talaga. Ang daming struggle during the work from home. It's either your gadget, the digital platform, or your internet yung nagiging problems. Go back to the meeting, makikinig na ako.
Other, people and customers that we try to show.
Natapos na natin ang ating first virtual meeting with AHRC Group. Yung mga ka-meeting natin sa Teams is mostly mga under the umbrella of Ayala. We experienced struggle during the meeting. Yung first, hindi ako agad makapasok sa Teams kasi nagloloko yung Teams ko. I thought it was my internet. But then, parang nung nakapasok naman tayo, si Teams, re-require niya tayo na re-download ng Teams app para makapasok. And then, hinihingan niya ako ng password. Hindi ako masyadong matandaan sa password kasi pag yung company laptop yung gamit ko or may pinapa-operate ako sa company laptop using the other application, pinapagawa ko yun talaga sa IT namin. Hindi natin makontak yung ka-meeting natin just to tell them na hindi pa tayo nakakapasok sa Teams dahil I think he is hosting also the meeting kaya hindi niya sinasagot yung tawag ko. And nakapasok naman tayo sa Teams kaya lang hindi naman natin marinig yung sounds, yung speaker nung apps hindi gumagana. So I thought yung speaker ko yung hindi na naman gumagana. And akala ko same problem with my first speaker na yung Bluetooth speaker ko na hindi ko na ginagamit muna. But then, nung inayos ko yung device settings ko, ayun, naayos ko na, narinig ko na rin. I even use my phone, my personal phone para lang maka-join at marinig ko yung pinag-uusapan. But almost 10 minutes din akong na-late dun sa meeting. But then, nakahabol ako. Yung aming IT, hindi ko rin makontak. For sure, busy sila ngayon. Even pandemic kasi talagang pumapasok sila sa office kasi marami talaga silang sinuservice. We will proceed with my second virtual meeting which is I'm using na sa Zoom. I'm using my personal laptop and yung last meeting ko is Zoom pa rin. Dito na yung aking dalawang ka-meeting. So, i-accept ko na sila. Ayan. 3 people is waiting sa ating waiting area. So, we will start na our meeting. Tapos na yung mga virtual meetings natin. And then, medyo na-late na rin ako ng konti dun sa third meeting ko. Although, wala naman masyadong pinag-usapan. Parang may pinapasugatan lang na survey. So, okay lang kahit hindi ako masyadong maaga. And yung meeting naman natin with Discovery Shores, very fruitful naman, ang daming ideas na napag-usapan. And they are willing to be partnered with AirSwift and hopefully matuloy lahat ng plans namin. I hope you like this video and marami kayong natutunan about my airline job as Sales and Marketing Manager. So please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!